Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan for everyone. So today we're going to presentation about our project in the middle of this semester, titled TRM 505, First Person Shooter Game, Arduino Uno Unity. Mr. Wiwinoto as a leader project, and I'm Zahira Salsabila as a team leader, and members Mutia Jati, Tri Ahmad-Dhani, Muhammad Hafiz Al-Zaki, Niklas Iskia Panjangan, and Gelas Inkan Afifa original photo. So first, project description. Arduino Uno Unity first person shooter game is a game that combines the Arduino Uno platform with Unity create an interactive first person shooter experience. Player will use the Arduino Uno to control movement in the game, providing direct physical control that is not executive. Next, we will going to describe the contribution of this WL. First, 3D animation. This course help in creating 3D models from Blender, which will then be imported into Unity and also help in understanding the basic of animation. Second, artificial intelligence or AI. This course will apply AI to create intelligence enemy that can move accordingly step by step. Entrepreneurship. This course will teach students to plan and develop their game as a business product, such as marketing and a game product. English communication. Course will train students through communication in English, which their team find information and present their game. Next, game programming. This course will use Unity to program game, including gameplay, machine, UI or UX, and control system. Next, hardware programming. This course will use the Arduino Uno. For example, it will teach students to operate a sensor that the game can detect. And the last, Pancasila education. This course will teach students to apply Pancasila values in the game development process, such as comparison, gotong royong, and integrity.
Next, we will discuss project output. This project output consists of segment part, binary code, application, manual book, application video demo, poster scientific, and IPR.
Next, the story project in the form of a book. So, in the first week, we decide on conceptual advertising project. We have conceptual advertising project. Second is planning. Third, analysis. Fourth, design. Five, design. Implementation.
Next, the project work progress. So here the progression you guys can see that the image above is how the arrow games look at level 1. Next, the part of the project that respect the relationship with other hosts. Because this PBL specifically use the Arduino Uno to create hardware the interface with game. The course also teach how to create sensor that games can detect, so that they can create a more interactive and immersive gaming experience. And next, see division of labor and each member contribution to the project. It is important to define project goals, make a good plan, and clearly define text to that each member can contribute according to their respective expertise. This ensure effective progression and smooth and efficient project.
Next is C, pre-production task division. The task is logbook creation, working members is Zahira. Next is task brainstorming story game, the working member is our member. Next is storyline game, working member is Mutia and Tingkat. Next is game design, working members is our member. Next is modeling 3D Panahan. Next working member is Zahira, Tri, and Nick. Next is PPT description project, working member is our member. Next is task programming, working member is Tri, Hafiz. Next is D, problem and solution. Problem, the character hands look stiff when gripping the archery and aiming. Solution is animate realistic hand, injured, and wrist movement to make it look natural when holding the arrow and aiming. Next problem is archery often looks too big or too small when placed in a character hand. The solution is adjusting the arrow size so the scale of the character hands so that is proportional and easy to visualize in the game.
The last is further work plan. We will build 3D models of characters, environments, and weapons in render, and texture, and crack animations. Once the assets are ready, we will import them into Unity to program the gameplay, mechanics, and atmosphere. We will also integrate into Arduino Uno for custom element control after testing and bug fixing. We will release the game for user feedback and make improvement before the official launch. Thank you for your attention and time. If you have any question, please leave a message in the comment section provided. We hope you all can understand our explanation properly. See you again, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.